Hello students, today we are going to be doing the oxidase test. And the oxidase test uses this reagent here that comes in an ampule. And to release the reagent from the ampule, inside there's a little glass ampule that contains the actual reagent. So what you need to do is you need to crack it. And let's see if I have one here. So you actually need to break the glass ampule by squeezing it. And then you shake it. Okay, and then all you do is put a drop onto your plate. Now, my plates here already have colonies on them. So these have been pre-inoculated. They've been growing overnight. We have some beautiful colonies there. So we'll drop a drop onto the area where there are colonies. And what we're looking for is a formation of a blue to purple formation after in under a minute. Then that will be positive, oxidase positive. If it forms that coloration after a minute, then we don't count it as positive. We count it as oxidase negative. And what we're testing for is the presence of cytochrome C oxidase, which is a protein that we find in the electron transport chain. So what it's really telling us is whether the bacterium has the presence of this cytochrome C oxidase. And so it's a good way to differentiate the bacteria. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the test now. Okay, so I have my plates here. And let's just go ahead and add a drop into each of the areas where we have bacteria growing. So I'll just put a drop there, and a drop there. Okay, so we let that go. And notice that I have these open to the air. I don't care that these get contaminated because I'm just going to throw them away when I'm done. So it doesn't really matter if I have them open. Okay, we're just going to let those guys sit right there and start your timer for 1 minute. So it hasn't been a minute yet, but you can already start to see the formation of the blue here. Okay, you can see formation of blue right in here. Okay, so that is P fluorescence. You can see P fluorescence is already oxidase positive and it hasn't been a minute yet. Okay. It's been about 30 seconds, so we're just going to wait to see what happens. We have about 10 more seconds. All right, so what we see is that what did turn positive here was P fluorescence. And here on this E. coli colony, you can see that there is some blue there. Okay, so E. coli and P fluorescence turned positive. But if you look at the S. faecalis and the S. aureus plate, there is no purple formation, so these would be oxidase negative.